गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
नया वाला है ना,
जो लड़की जो है पतली करके वो जो है मॉडल।
कौन सी मॉडल? भोजपुरी।
আমিও বাঙালি, আমি শিলচরে নয়, কিন্তু আমার অনেক রিলেটিভস আছে শিলচরে। হ্যাঁ।
International Institute of Cosmetology and Aesthetics. We are based in Mumbai, and we normally, since this is a field, or rather, our field of beauty and wellness is what we are in, and it's a trending field. एक time पे it was considered a luxury. आज एक basic household need. I mean, one can all relate with me better. Correct. So, speaking of IICA, we are, we come from the rich and valuable experience. We have doctors on board who are dermatologists. We have internationally certified trainers with us. We have people who have done their salon management and are sitting with us at our centers today. These are our founders, Ms. Chandni Dey and Mr. Ramesh Pitle. Ms. Chandni Dey, she runs 3 clinics in Mumbai. She has aesthetic clinics. So it was entirely her inception, saying that if I am in the field, if I am, conducting various procedures on women and men in terms of aesthetics, basically skin के अंदर हम जो botox करते हैं, fillers करते हैं, I'll come to that later. What is that? So it was her idea saying that अगर हम services देते हैं तो why not we get into the teaching line? So वहीं से in 2021 is when we started this entire thing. It took us good 6 to 8 months कि सिर्फ courses develop करने. हमने ये courses LSTC अलाइन भी किया है, CDES को अलाइन भी करके हम लोग इनका इन्वेस्टर किया. So that tomorrow LSTC भी ना बोल पाए कि लो, you are not in line with the national skill development. And CDES was an international body based in Switzerland. We have an affiliation with them. वो भी हमें ना बोल पाए कि no sorry, you are not following the current. So we made a mixture of both, which is why it took us 6 to 8 months. फिर हमने first center शिलांग शुरू किया, second center भोपाल, third center इंदौर. Mumbai is considered our head office, so I would not call that as our first center. It is a base. Okay, and since in our clinics we also conduct trainings. So as I said, that is patient 0, not center 1. And then this is center number 5. Center number 5. Okay, Silchar and Shillong we've done with our partners Bosco Technical School. They are our official partners. In fact, fathers and brothers, they were supposed to be here, but I think no meeting was there. So which is why they're going to be coming in late. So yes, when they come in, we get into the partners that time because they also want to have an interaction with them. So I think काफी सारे कोर्सेज का हम लॉन्च करने वाले हैं, लेकिन उसमें जो कंटेंट है उस कंटेंट में आपको एक बार बता दूँ. फर्स्ट जो रहेगा हमारा डिप्लोमा इन बेसिक ब्यूटी, ये आपका एक बेसिक ब्यूटी का कोर्स है, इसमें कि आपके अंदर इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ
a first ever in barak such kind of unique opportunity for all of you to excel your professional skill and to develop your professional, and I think this will help you to excel your professional skill through the IICA process. So today, a surprise for all of you, we have an opportunity to present in front of you one and only a very, very celebrated model from Dr. Gandhi Global Miss India 2020, and she is also here. And she few days back she was here in Silchar for an event. I requested her to be here just to interact with you all of you, and she became the Miss India Femina finalist of this year. So definitely she is working throughout the Northeastern region along with national circuit. Hope her interaction with all of you will give you some sort of idea to have some idea what it is all about. Thank you. Just a new beginning. Here it is the Gandhi Miss India Global 2020, and winner of that in Goa, followed by the latest Miss India finalist of this year. So Gandhi, this is all about you to interact and keep your career to all the learning channels. So I want to know that chance.
Hi everyone. I'm really happy to see everyone here. This is my second time in Silchar. Every time I come back, I get so much love that this place always was friends, college, any for that matter. So the auditions are going to be on the 20th, and after that we're going to have Miss Silchar post the auditions. We're going to have a session of 7 to 10 days grooming session for the girls. It's a very big opportunity for the girls to get groomed as well. There are a lot of things like hair and makeup. The girls are going to be trained in hair and makeup, walk sessions, vocabulary and public speaking sessions we are going to make. There is going to be fitness and mental health sessions also. We're going to give them a makeover. We're going to take them to the salons which are on board with us and give them a free makeover of whatever is needed, to be changed, hair color, haircut and different sort of things. So about this, it is a very big opportunity for all the girls that they don't have to travel anywhere else, but we are bringing everything for them here in Silchar. So I hope all of you help me out with this and look for contestants for me to be a great help. আপনারা প্লিজ প্যাম্পলেট নিয়ে যান যদি বাড়িতে কেউ থাকে কোনো 16 to 27 এর ভিতরে প্লিজ আপনারা শেয়ার করুন। আমিও বাঙালি, আমি শিলচরের নয়, কিন্তু আমার অনেক রিলেটিভস আছে শিলচরে।
No coffee.
हम ज्यादा करो हम ज्यादा करो The face is coming.
Good afternoon, sir.
Tell something about today.
Yes, how was your class?
About today's seminar.
Taking care of an event. Are come, say no, speak.
Yeah.
Come on. 4 of you, I want different answers. Come on.
About today's seminar, how do you feel?
It was good.
That's it.
Yes.
वो चढ़ जाएगा वो उसके ऊपर
हाँ,
जाता रहेगा वो पीछे जाता रहेगा और पास मत जा
और बोलो आज का सेमिनार कैसे रहा?
बहुत अच्छा था सर।
बहुत अच्छा। वो क्या सिखा रहे हो?
मेकअप के बारे में कैसा लगाना चाहिए और जान खतरा
जान खतरा में है What जान खतरा में है? Tell something.
Yeah, today I enjoy. We can meet different people here, and we can meet a beautiful, pretty girl and handsome.
Beautiful girl, the beautiful lady.
Yeah, beautiful lady. Yeah. Enough, sir.
Peaceful Shanti.
Oh yeah, what else, sir?
No, what was the seminar all about? No?
It was very interesting.
really interesting
Yeah, I like to enjoy the
I will ask you
Enjoy.
questions about this today
tomorrow.
That is so?
Yeah, give this to
Yes.
boys.
No, actually he's worried about the tea and coffee. No?
I will get not
Whether I'll get a tea, coffee.
I just want to go
Huh? You're worried about that? Huh?
no I just want to go to the hostel
Huh?
मॉडल है क्या
What?
वो नया वाला है ना
जो लड़की जो है पतली करके वो जो है मॉडल है
कौन सी मॉडल भोजपुरी
बेंगोली मिस फेमिना I don't know, they said Miss Femina.
that press guy said Miss India
Miss India. I don't know. What?
yes
Wait. Tell.
yes so I was worried about that as you have asking me the quest why you're so worried so I was worried about that how to click a pictures with these guys
With whom? With the girl.
but I don't know her name what's that her name but actually yeah I can imagine the face it's look like I means that
take with a girl.
I means that she's
You have crush on her.
disturbing yeah it seems like she looks like my favorite and my dreamer celebrity
Make Pilia. ये तो गाजू तुम कब से वो वेट कर रहे हैं खाने के लिए अभी
खबर का फल दाल मोहन होता है
क्या हुआ मैं ये वाला काट के ना डिजाइन को दे दूंगा और मीम्स बना के छोड़ देगा अभी
Hello, I'm here eating this one.
What do you call
I'm
this one?
hungry.
The black one?
The black one called lal mohan.
But it's brown, no?
This brown one is called pork. And here
No.
this
This is not black.
brown.
Brown.
water.
Water and that one? No, that is called what? हाँ?
ये एक पेटिस है और एक लाल मोहन है तो देखते हैं चेक के कैसे लग रहा
हाँ खा के देख लेना कैसे लगा और रौनक सर उधर में now they are smiling see
ये आपका चालू हो गया अभी
हाँ ये हम लोग का रौनक सर
मैं खा के जाऊंगा
ये अटक लोग
ये लोग इंतजार कर रहा था खाने के लिए
हाँ लोग
अच्छा, देख,
अंदर से सोच रहे थे कब खाएगा
कब मौका देगा
हाँ अभी देखा देख कितना खुश है देख ये भी कितना खुश है देख देख और इसका क्या नाम है रेबिका रेबिका देख रेबिका भी कितना खुश है देख अभी अभी शांति भी कितना खुश है देख वाह इतना मोटा है इधर खा के देखा शांति जैसी देखा देखा इतना बड़ा मुंह है इसका देखा हाँ यू आर हैप्पी
इसका रेट का अच्छी तरह
एक चालू है
Don't do all this, no. You be here. You're not allowed to go anywhere now. Stand up.
No.
That's not wrong, na?
That is not right also, na?
What?
You want to go and talk directly with that Miss India. You be here.
For what?
He want to talk.
He said not just now.
No, you'll be
What will you talk?
That this boy is very crazy. This boy is very crazy.
Thank you so much, Don Bosco and IICA for providing me such a figure.
Try to control. और कुछ बहुत बोलने के मन में फिर भी नहीं बोलेगा. Control.
Control your emotions. करीब बोलो. मैं भी लाते थे दूर. करीब ना गया कि ना फूके रहता. ना फूके रहता. चलो राजा. जब तक करो ना गाँव में ना.
Those girls, girls. मुझे ताकू जैसे सिगरेट 그냥 넣어도 every you never.
So after eating this, how you are feeling? How you are feeling after eating this? Huh?
Answer after working and after having this, how are you guys feeling? Good, right? Even though work was lengthy, we had to stand.
Mouth is so big, no? One whole pop went inside.
Something to eat.
She swallowed one whole pop. I don't know what they call this one.
Petis.
Second time she's taking it. First one, no, she swallowed everything.
Sir, I gave her one, not enough.
Huh? Huh? This called what? Rasgulla. Lalmon. See? All are happy enough. Swallow it. No, don't swallow. Huh?
Guys.
Yeah, I saw it now. Where you went? Where you went?
Making videos.
Huh? Making videos. He's feeling shy.
This is me. We are my friend and we are having party. This Sura party.
I are in Boscotech unboxing 7-Up and this.
Hello guys, welcome to the Don Bosco channel. This is me and this. Who are you?
I'm your friend. Your friend, best friend.
Nang jam cha no nabuk na ni.
I'm not even finished with my first petties.
No need too much, okay?
That he will help you. He will help you. He is there to help.
Last time also I have carried it till hostel, no?
Sir.
Mama.
তুমি জানছো না বিহুদার তো জন্য গেলে বিহু না তুই জন্য বিশাল আমার পাশে ওই পরে ওখানে তো আমার ঘর
Bye. Gonna miss you. Bye.
We are having so much fun today.